friends. Pastor Amanda here. I come to you from the farm where I grew up, the place for 18 years that shaped and formed me, because I too needed to go find my sanctuary and to reconnect with the things that ground me into my own spiritual life. And those of you who have known me for most of my life, you understand that for me, that is my chickens. And I also understand that during this time, many of you are being relegated into very small places. Yep, very small and sequestered places where you can't get into the expanse and open air that I currently am in right now. But that being said, I think for this weird and wacky Wednesday post, I wanted to invite you all to think of the ways that even in your small kind of sequestered places that we find ourselves, what are the playful things that you can do, the creative and wacky and weird things that you can do to ground yourself into God? Because I was going through the Psalms again, because again, the Psalms are just a rich tapestry. Yes, I know. This is Vanessa, by the way. This is Vanessa. Here we go. I know. Okay, you guys, hold on. Yo, hey. I'm trying to post a video here. Okay, so here's Nora. The Psalms are a rich tapestry of a resource for us right now. And I came across Psalm 92 in my reading, and even in the most bizarre circumstances, we run across Psalms that say, "It is good to give thanks to the Lord, to sing praises to your name, O Most High, to declare your steadfast love in the morning and your faithfulness by night, to the music of the lute and the harp, to the melody of the lyre." The only thing the psalmist forgot is to the cluck of the chicken. I mean, that too is, oh God, singing praises to God. This is great. Fabulous. Oh my goodness. Okay, folks. So this is my weird and wacky post for Wednesday. What are the playful things that you can do this week, the rest of this week? Find your thing. Find the thing that brings you joy, that inspires you to share, to sing praises to the Lord, even in this unprecedented sequestered times that we're in. We're still called to sing God's praises. And you know what? My chickens just helped us do that. See, this is why I had to reconnect with the things that bring me the most joy. So, Vanessa, what do you say? Do you have anything else to add? Oh, so now you're going to not talk? Okay. Friends, find a place to laugh. Find a place to play. And know that too is how we connect with God. And we ground into, there we go. See, she's just reminding us, ground into God. All right. This is Pastor Amanda signing out on this weird and wacky spiritual post Wednesday.